Feeling bloated? You know that heavy, uncomfortable pressure in your stomach that makes your clothes suddenly feel tight, your energy drop, and your confidence take a hit? It's not just physical. It can mess with your mood, your focus, and even your social life. Now, here's the good news. Relief doesn't always have to come from a pill bottle or a trip to a pharmacy. What if I told you there's a simple, affordable fruit, something you probably already have in your kitchen, that can calm your digestive system and reduce gas naturally? I'm talking about the banana. Yes, the humble banana. Most of us just think of it as a quick snack or smoothie filler. But this fruit is actually loaded with compounds that can soothe your gut, balance digestion, and ease bloating. So in this video, we're going to break it all down. We'll look at why gas happens in the first place, how bananas work on a scientific level, the best ways to eat them for maximum benefit, and some easy banana-based remedies you can start using today. Introduction. Let's be real. Stomach gas is something everyone deals with. Sometimes it's just a minor annoyance, but when it becomes excessive, it can be painful, embarrassing, and frustrating. A lot of people go straight for antacids, digestive pills, or herbal teas, and while those can help in the short term, nature already offers us gentle, effective, and safe solutions. That's where bananas come in. Bananas aren't just a source of quick energy or a grab-and-go snack. I like to think of them as a gut-friendly superfruit. They contain fiber, prebiotics, electrolytes, and natural enzymes, all of which help restore balance in your digestive system. And the beauty of bananas? They're inexpensive, easy to find, and available almost anywhere in the world. So let's dive in and uncover why bananas are so effective when it comes to reducing stomach gas and bloating. Section 1. Why gas happens in the first place. Before we get into how bananas work their magic, we need to understand what's actually causing gas in the first place. Because here's the truth. Gas itself isn't always bad. Everyone produces it. In fact, passing gas up to 20 times a day can be totally normal. The problem is when it becomes excessive, painful, or unpredictable. That's when it disrupts your comfort, your confidence, and sometimes even your daily routine. So what's behind it? Gas in your digestive system usually comes down to three main causes. 1. Swallowed air. Every time you eat or drink, you swallow a little air along with it. If you eat too fast, drink carbonated beverages like soda or sparkling water, or even chew gum frequently, you end up swallowing extra air. And that air doesn't just disappear. It travels into your stomach and intestines, where it creates uncomfortable pressure and bloating. Think of it like blowing air into a balloon. At some point, the pressure builds up, and you can really feel it. 2. Food fermentation. This is a big one. When you eat foods that your body struggles to fully digest, especially certain carbs, they travel down to your colon mostly intact. That's where your gut bacteria step in. They ferment those leftovers, breaking them down, and in the process, they release gas. Some foods are notorious for this. Beans, lentils, onions, cabbage, even some dairy products. That's why certain meals leave you feeling like a hot air balloon. 3. Gut imbalance. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, both helpful and not so helpful. When the balance tips in favor of the gas-producing bacteria, you'll notice way more bloating, gassiness, and even irregular bowel movements. Stress, poor diet, antibiotics, or illness can all throw this balance off. Now here's the key connection. Bananas help address all three of these issues. They can slow down the swallowing air problem by encouraging smoother digestion. They reduce food fermentation by helping break things down earlier in the process. And they promote healthy gut bacteria, so the balance shifts toward the good guys. That's why bananas are such a powerful tool for natural gas relief. Section 2. Bananas and digestive fiber. One of the most important ways bananas fight gas is through fiber. And here's the thing. Not all fiber works the same way. Bananas give you the best of both worlds, soluble fiber and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber is like a peacemaker in your gut. When it mixes with water, it forms a gel-like substance. This slows down digestion just enough to give your body time to absorb nutrients properly, but not so slow that things get stuck. This balanced pace helps prevent irritation, cramping, and sudden gas buildup. It's like putting your digestive system on cruise control instead of letting it slam on the brakes or speed too fast. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, plays a very different role. It doesn't dissolve in water. Instead, it acts almost like a broom, sweeping through your intestines and keeping everything moving smoothly. This prevents food from lingering too long in your gut, because when food just sits there, bacteria jump on it and start fermenting, which leads straight to gas and bloating. The genius of bananas is that they give you both types of fiber in a gentle, balanced package. Unlike some high-fiber foods that can be harsh or cause cramping, like bran or raw cruciferous veggies, bananas deliver fiber in a way that's soothing and easy to tolerate, even for sensitive stomachs. So, instead of undigested food sitting around in your gut and producing gas, bananas help move it along at just the right pace. Think of it like traffic flow on a highway. Too slow and you get traffic jam, too fast and accident happen. Bananas help keep your digestive traffic flowing smoothly with no pileups. Section 3. Prebiotics for a healthy gut. Here's where bananas really start to stand out compared to many other fruits. Their role as a natural prebiotic food. Now let's break this down. We often hear about probiotics, those live bacteria you get from yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kombucha. But probiotics can't survive or thrive without something to eat. That's where prebiotics come in. Prebiotics are special types of fiber that act like fertilizer for your good gut bacteria. Bananas, especially when they're slightly unripe, are rich in a unique prebiotic fiber called resistant starch. Why is it called resistant? Because it resists digestion in the small intestine. Instead of being broken down early on, it passes all the way to your colon intact. And once it gets there, it becomes the perfect food for your good bacteria. When those beneficial bacteria get stronger, they start doing 3 amazing things. They keep gas-producing bacteria under control. When the good guys are thriving, the bad guys don't have as much room to overgrow and pump out excess gas. They improve nutrient absorption. A balanced gut microbiome helps your body absorb vitamins and minerals more efficiently, which keeps your digestion healthier overall. They produce short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs. These compounds actually nourish your colon cells and reduce inflammation, which leads to less bloating and irritation. Think of it this way. Bananas don't just soothe the symptoms of gas. They help build a stronger digestive system from the inside out. They shift the balance of your gut microbiome in your favor, which means fewer flare-ups, smoother digestion, and less discomfort in the long run. So the next time you reach for a banana, you're not just grabbing a quick snack. You're actually feeding your gut bacteria the fuel they need to work for you, not against you. Section 4. Potassium, the anti-bloating mineral. Now, let's talk about another powerhouse nutrient in bananas, potassium. Most people know bananas are a great source of potassium, but not everyone realizes how that connects directly to bloating and digestive comfort. Here's the science. Potassium and sodium are 2 minerals that constantly work together in your body to regulate fluid balance. Sodium makes your body hold on to water. Potassium helps your body flush that water out. If your diet is heavy on salty, processed foods, things like chips, fast food, or frozen meals, you're probably getting way more sodium than your body needs. That sodium causes your tissues to hold on to water, which makes you feel puffy, swollen, and yes, even more bloated. Potassium steps in as a balancing mineral. It signals your kidneys to release excess sodium and water. And when your fluid balance evens out, your stomach feels flatter, lighter, and less pressured. But there's another connection here too. Potassium plays a role in muscle contractions, including the muscles in your digestive tract. These contractions, known as peristalsis, are what move food along your intestines. If you're low in potassium, your digestion can slow down, which means food lingers longer and produces more gas. By keeping your potassium levels healthy, bananas help your digestive muscles stay active and efficient. So when you eat a banana, you're not just helping with excess water retention, you're also supporting smoother, more regular digestion. 2 major bloating culprits, tackled with 1 mineral. Section 5, natural enzymes and gentle acidity. Finally, let's talk about 2 often overlooked benefits of bananas: their natural enzymes and their gentle acidity. First, the enzymes. Bananas contain amylase, an enzyme that specializes in breaking down carbohydrates. Here's why that matters. When carbs aren't broken down properly in the small intestine, They end up traveling to the colon. And as we learned earlier, when bacteria in the colon ferment those undigested carbs, gas is released as a byproduct. By providing enzymes like amylase, bananas help break carbs down earlier in the digestive process. This means fewer leftovers make it to the colon, and less fermentation takes place. The result? Less gas buildup. Second, the acidity. You might be surprised to learn that bananas are slightly acidic when raw, but as they ripen, their acidity decreases, and they actually become more alkaline, forming in the body. What does this mean for digestion? Bananas act like a natural buffer. They gently coat the lining of your stomach and intestines, creating a soothing barrier. This is why bananas are one of the first foods doctors recommend for people recovering from stomach bugs or ulcers. They're easy to digest, and they protect the gut lining instead of irritating it. Think about those times you've had an upset stomach. Reaching for spicy or greasy foods would only make things worse, right? But a banana gives you calories, fiber, and nutrients while actually calming your digestive system. So between the enzyme support and their gentle, soothing nature, bananas create the perfect environment for digestion, breaking down food more effectively, reducing irritation, and cutting back on the gas that comes from poorly digested meals. Section 6. How to eat bananas for gas relief. All right, now that we know the why, let's get practical about the how. How should you eat bananas to get the maximum digestive benefit? Because the way you eat them, and even the stage of ripeness, makes a big difference. 1. Slightly unripe bananas. These are the greenish ones that still feel firm to the touch. They contain more resistant starch, which acts like fuel for your good gut bacteria. If your main goal is to improve long-term gut health and reduce bloating over time, unripe bananas are a great choice. They're not as sweet, but you can slice them into oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or even use green banana flour as a supplement. 2. Ripe bananas. When a banana is yellow with a few brown spots, it's higher in natural sugars and much easier to digest. If your stomach is already feeling sensitive, say after an upset stomach or when you're already bloated, a ripe banana is gentle, soothing, and less likely to trigger discomfort. 3. Banana smoothies. A banana smoothie is one of the easiest ways to combine multiple digestion-friendly ingredients. Try blending a ripe banana with fresh ginger, a spoonful of yogurt, and some water or almond milk. This way you're getting prebiotics from the banana, probiotics from the yogurt, and anti-inflammatory, anti-gas compounds from the ginger, all in one. 4. Banana with oatmeal. Oats are another rich source of soluble fiber, which helps slow digestion and prevent irritation. Pairing bananas with oatmeal makes a powerhouse breakfast that's both filling and gut-friendly. It's especially good if you tend to feel bloated after heavy or processed breakfasts. Pro tip: avoid combining bananas with overly sugary or processed foods like cakes, sugary cereals, or ice cream. That combination can ferment quickly in your gut and actually make bloating worse. Keep it simple. Pair bananas with whole foods, and your digestion will thank you. Section 7. Quick banana remedies for gas. Now let's talk about some quick and easy banana-based remedies you can use at home when you're dealing with bloating or want to prevent it. Remedy 1. Banana ginger smoothie. Take 1 ripe banana, 1 teaspoon of fresh grated ginger, half a cup of yogurt, and some water or almond milk. Blend it all together. The banana soothes your gut. The ginger calms inflammation and reduces gas formation, and the yogurt provides probiotics to balance your gut bacteria. It's like a triple-action digestive tonic in 1 glass. Remedy 2. Banana cinnamon bowl. Slice up a ripe banana, sprinkle a little cinnamon on top, and enjoy it as a snack. Cinnamon isn't just flavorful. It's known for reducing gas buildup and calming the digestive tract. Combine that with a banana's fiber, and you've got a simple snack that fights bloating instead of causing it. Remedy 3. Green banana flour. This one is a hidden gem. Green banana flour is made from unripe bananas and is absolutely packed with resistant starch. You can add a spoonful to smoothies, porridge, or even use it in baking. Over time, it feeds your good bacteria, reduces gas production, and improves overall gut balance. These remedies are simple, affordable, and easy to fit into your daily routine. The best part? They don't just address symptoms in the moment. They help build a healthier digestive system over time. Section 8. When to be cautious. Now, bananas work beautifully for most people, but it's important to note they may not be the perfect solution for everyone. For people with IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, bananas can sometimes be tricky. This is because of their FODMAP content. FODMAPs are fermentable carbohydrates that some people's digestive systems have a harder time processing. Very ripe bananas are higher in simple sugars and certain FODMAPs, which can actually increase bloating and discomfort for people who are sensitive. If you notice that ripe bananas make your symptoms worse, don't panic. It doesn't mean all bananas are off limits. Slightly green bananas, on the other hand, are much lower in FODMAPs and tend to be gentler on digestion. So if you're sensitive, it's better to stick with bananas that are just barely ripe rather than those that are very sweet and spotted. Another caution: if you already eat a very high fiber diet and suddenly add a lot of bananas on top, you might initially notice more bloating, not less. That's not because bananas are bad. It's because your gut bacteria need time to adjust to the extra fiber. The solution is simple: increase your intake gradually. The bottom line here is that bananas are incredibly gut-friendly, but your body is unique. Pay attention to how you feel after eating them. If ripe bananas don't sit well, try them slightly green. If large amounts bother you, scale back and start smaller. The key is finding the balance that works best for your system. Call to action. So the next time you're feeling bloated or dealing with uncomfortable gas, don't just reach for a pill. Reach for a banana. With its fiber, prebiotics, potassium, and soothing enzymes, this humble fruit can calm your digestive system and give you natural relief. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps more people discover natural remedies like this. And don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed tips on nutrition, gut health, and natural healing. Now I want to hear from you. How do you usually enjoy bananas? Do you like them in smoothies, baked into recipes, or just straight up as a snack? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to know. Thanks for watching. Take care of your gut health, and I'll see you in the next video.